When your Sceptre monitor powers on but shows no image, the problem usually lies in three main areas: the signal path, hardware issues, or configuration problems. Let's systematically diagnose this step by step. First, check the power LED on your monitor. This small light, usually located on the front or bottom edge, indicates whether the monitor is receiving power. If the LED is on, the monitor is getting power, and we can proceed to the next steps. Next, inspect all cable connections. Check HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and any other video cables. Ensure connections are secure at both the monitor and source device ends. Look for bent pins, damaged connectors, or debris in the ports. For HDMI connections, ensure the connector is fully inserted until you hear a click. The gold contacts should be clean and undamaged. If one HDMI port doesn't work, try a different port on both your monitor and source device. Try different cables and ports to isolate the problem. A faulty cable is one of the most common causes of display issues. Test with a known working cable and try different ports on both your monitor and computer. Test your monitor with a different device like a laptop, game console, or smartphone. This helps determine if the problem is with your computer or the monitor itself. If the monitor works with another device, the issue is likely with your original computer. Finally, ensure the correct input source is selected on your monitor. Use the monitor's control buttons to access the input menu and cycle through available options like HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA. Make sure the selected input matches your cable connection. These initial diagnostic steps address the most common causes of display issues with Sceptre monitors. By checking power, connections, cables, alternative devices, and input sources, you can resolve many blank screen problems quickly and effectively. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Sceptre monitor display issue, it's time to try advanced techniques. These methods can help identify whether the problem is software-related or indicates hardware failure. First, systematically cycle through all available input sources using your monitor's physical buttons. Press the input or source button repeatedly to test HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and any other available connections. Next, access the on-screen display menu to verify the monitor's internal systems are functioning. Use the menu button to navigate through settings and confirm the display panel itself is operational. If the menu is accessible, perform a factory reset to eliminate any configuration conflicts. Navigate to the Reset option in your monitor's settings and select Reset All or Factory Defaults. Power cycling is a critical advanced technique. Unplug the monitor completely for at least 30 seconds, then hold the power button while unplugged to discharge internal capacitors. This clears temporary electronic states that may cause display issues. If these advanced steps fail, you're likely dealing with internal hardware failure. Common culprits include backlight inverters, main circuit boards, or power supply components. These require specialized knowledge and tools to repair safely. At this point, consider professional repair services, especially if your monitor is under warranty. Attempting DIY component replacement carries significant risks, including electrical hazards, further damage, and warranty voiding. Weigh repair costs against replacement value before proceeding. These advanced troubleshooting techniques will help you determine whether your monitor issue is fixable through software solutions or requires professional hardware intervention. Always prioritize safety and warranty protection when making repair decisions.